Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to update applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to update applications on this watch, it's recommended for your watch to be connected to the internet through the Wi-Fi network, so you can basically go to settings on your watch, then tap on connections, Wi-Fi, and connect your watch to the Wi-Fi network right here. And once you have the internet connection, you also will need a Google account copied to your watch, so you can use the Google Play services. And to do it, simply go to settings again, scroll down, find the option called accounts and backup, tap on it, and here find the Google account. And if you don't have any account connected to your watch, tap on it and it will redirect you to your phone, and then use the phone to add Google account to your watch. And once you have internet connection and Google account on your watch, we can continue, and now we can open the Google Play Store. So swipe up on the home screen to open the menu, find the Google Play Store icon, tap on it, and once the Play Store opens, it should look like this. Then scroll down, find the option called Manage Apps. It's gonna be somewhere at the bottom of the page. Tap on it, and here we have the list of updates available, as you can see, and you can find the app you want to update. Tap on it and tap on update button to update it. It's gonna start downloading and installing. Okay, it's finally done updating. It took a while, but once it's done, you will see the open button again. And if you go back to the Manage Apps page, you will see that the app disappeared from the updates available, and you have one less. You can also tap on the update all button, but that would probably take forever, so I'm not gonna do that. And once you're done updating the app, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you update applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.